$200 directly to your PayPal, even if you're a complete beginner. Hey, what's up guys, this is Art from Art of Marketing blog, and in this video I will share with you a super cool beginner friendly strategy for making up to $200 directly to your PayPal. Okay, so this is something that I was doing as a newbie, so you don't need any experience to do it. You just need to essentially know how to copy and paste, move some things around. Essentially we'll be just mirroring what already works. So I'm super excited for this strategy. Before we are going to jump into this video, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, click on the bell for notifications, and leave me a comment. Maybe just say hi or tell me where you are from, and subscribe to the channel, especially if you are interested in making money online, working from home, digital business, etc. So let me share my screen and let me show you exactly how you can make up to $200 per client. And the website we are going to use is Fiverr. Now Fiverr is very dear to my heart because I started making money on Fiverr. So I used to be a bartender, and in my spare time I would just go to Fiverr and sell gigs. The cool thing about Fiverr is that you can make money in your spare time, do it totally part-time, maybe an hour a day, maybe 30 minutes a day, or you can actually turn it into a full-time job like I did. So I'm making money online full-time since 2014, and this is how I started, and I'll show you exactly how you can get started right here. Okay, so what we will be doing is we will be creating funnels for other people. Okay, so obviously creating a funnel for yourself is a little bit more advanced, so this video is for beginners. That's why I'll show you how to do it for other people, so you don't need to be worried about affiliate marketing and websites and you know, campaigns and conversions and traffic. None of it. Okay, we'll be creating funnels for other people, and essentially you are using templates, which means that most of the work is already done for you, and your client will actually give you all the info to add to the funnel. Okay, so first of all, you will need a gig. Okay, so we will just go to Fiverr and we will find an already successful gig, and we will just recreate it. We will mirror it. Okay, so if someone is selling hundreds or thousands of gigs on Fiverr, it means that people are interested in a gig like this, and we'll just recreate it. So I just typed in funnel into Fiverr right here, and as you can see, people are charging anywhere from $25 to $500. So obviously depending on how big the funnel is, what exactly they are doing. So I'm just going to read a few, and then we will focus on one gig that we can actually mirror. Okay, so as you can see, this one says I will design a ClickFunnels landing page or a sales funnel. This is $500. Another one, 66 euro, which is like $80. I will set up funnels using ClickFunnels. Another one, this one is using Simovely, Katra, Kajabi, or ClickFunnels. This one is $30. Now keep in mind, you will need some kind of a funnel builder, and in the end of this video I will show you an amazing new one that actually goes live today, and it is a one-time price, and we'll actually compare the prices as well. Okay, another one, I will write a sales funnel, 66 euros, which is again $80. $30, $20, 208, 128. So you know, you get the idea. All you have to do is just find again an already successful gig and just recreate it. So I found this one. I will build your ClickFunnels in ClickFunnels or WordPress sales funnel. So this person says I will use ClickFunnels or WordPress. So for the purpose of this video, I will show you how I create my own funnels. Okay, so first of all, the most important thing is obviously your listing on Fiverr. So what I would do is I would just rewrite this exact gig. Okay, so I will just rewrite the title, rewrite this exact description, and then I would check all of these tags, specializations, etc. And then also, as you can see, we have three different price options. So for the basic version, you have 66 euro, which is $75, standard is 125, and premium is $200. So the only difference is the amount of pages. So for 3 pages you're paying $75, $200 is for 5 to 7 pages. Now you can create these pages literally in a matter of minutes, so you don't have to be worried about adding more pages. It is just more of the same. So guys, I would copy exactly what this person is doing, but I will put the price a little bit lower because obviously this person already has some feedback from customers. So you won't have feedback, but as a new seller, Fiverr will actually promote you And if you will give a better deal to people, just lower the price, and maybe let's say this person has a 5 days delivery. I would deliver in 2 days, possibly 24 hours. If you're delivering an amazing looking funnel in 24 hours and you have a great price, you can make tons of sales even as a beginner on Fiverr. Okay, so these are the two ways you can actually compete with these established sellers: better price and faster delivery. And a part of this, you will just copy the same exact thing that they are doing. So again, all of the packages, all the pricing, whatever they are giving, you will just do the same but better and in less time. Okay, so once your gig is already set up, again, you will need some kind of a funnel builder. Okay, so what I'm using for my own pages is OptimizePress. Okay, so I don't use ClickFunnels because it is a monthly charge. Optimize is a yearly charge. And by the way, I will show you a funnel builder that will cost you a super low one-time price. Again, that's in the end of this video. Let me show you how to create all the pages right now with OptimizePress. Okay, so OptimizePress is a WordPress plugin, which means that you do need a website for it. Okay, now with some of these funnel builders, you don't need a website. Again, this is what I'm using. That's why I'm going to show you exactly what I'm doing. Okay, in a nutshell, when you create these pages, it doesn't really matter if you have a website or not. It's always the same. So let's just click on create a new page. And obviously going back to Fiverr right here, as you can see, the more pages you can add, the more money you can charge. So again, anywhere from 3 pages to 5 to 7 pages. And with OptimizePress or with any other funnel builder, all of these templates are already done for you. So as you can see, we have opt-in and landing pages templates, so we can just pick any one of these. As you can see, we have how many? Probably like 20 different templates. Then we have thank you pages, so that would be the second page. Then we have sales pages, that's another page. Typically sales pages are even more expensive. Next up, we have webinar pages, we have membership pages, we have bonus pages, and we have launch pages, and also other pages and blank pages if you want to start from scratch. So guys, all of these templates are already done for us. All we have to do is just pick the one that we want and edit them. Now, let me just click on one of these just to show you. Use this template, so we will name the page, and we will create the page. Again, every single funnel builder will look exactly the same way. Okay, so as you can see, all we have to do is just add our text, add our images, add whatever we want. Okay, so we can just rewrite this. Then we save it, and essentially we just go piece by piece. This is a logo that we can remove or move around. So if I want to move it right here, I can. If you want to put your own logo or your client's logo, you can. Again, literally to edit these pages, it takes minutes per page, and you just ask your client what kind of a logo do they want, what kind of a background do they want, what kind of the text, headline. If it's a squeeze page, you will need their autoresponder code. So essentially you're just copying and pasting a piece of code. Then you click on publish, save and continue, and your page is done. Okay, so it's saved right now. Let me just view the public link. And as you can see, our page is ready. So again, literally you can create these pages in a matter of minutes. Going back right here, let me just close this. So that would be the first page in our funnel. Then we go to thank you pages, use this template, again, same exact thing, create a page, and then we would just create a thank you page. So if you don't know what a funnel is, typically it is a squeeze page where people put in their email. Then once they've put in their email, they are redirected to the thank you page, and then depending on what the owner of the funnel wants, you can add a bonus page, a webinar page, a members area, or whatever the case is. Okay, so again, as you can see, super easy to work with. We can edit this text, we can add a video, we can move these bullet points around, we can add a testimonial. All of this is editable. And again, if you are a beginner, you just get all of this information from your client, which means that you don't have to really be worried about what you're going to put here. You just get all this information. So guys, that's how easy it is to create these funnels. Again, I would just create a third page and we have a funnel that is ready to go. And the cool thing is that if you get all the information from your client, you already know what to add. And another thing is that in most cases, they will even have a ClickFunnels account or some kind of a funnel builder account. And if they don't, you can swoop in with your own account from ClickFunnels or from any other funnel creator, and you can charge even more money for it, especially if you set this up on their website. Okay, so guys, that's how easy it is to create all of these pages. Now, let me show you how much you would actually have to pay for example, ClickFunnels. Okay, so ClickFunnels, if you're going to go with ClickFunnels, is a minimum of $97 per month. The platinum version is $297 per month, and the 2 Club, I don't even know what this is, but it is $2,500 per month. So guys, ClickFunnels is an amazing tool, but I stay away from using it because, again, I don't want to be charged monthly for something that I use, you know, maybe just every other day, or not even every other day, maybe, you know, once a week or once every 2 weeks. That's why I'm using OptimizePress. So OptimizePress, as you can see, it starts at $99 per year, so a much better price. I think I have the business version, so it's $149 per year, and I actually have it installed on probably like 5 different websites. So for what I need, is totally amazing. But if you are a beginner, you don't want to be paying monthly or yearly. You probably want to pay a low one-time price, and that's why I wanted to introduce you to Epic Funnels. Okay, so guys, Epic Funnels is a funnel creator that goes live today, which is on the 20th of September, and I have a full review for you right here. So guys, please do check it out, because the exciting thing is that you are getting a funnel creator for a one-time price, and it is $17. Okay, so for $17, you just pay once and you can use it literally forever. You have multiple different templates included. I have a full review, demo, and bonus right here. So actually, if you decide to pick it up from my link, I will send you a huge bonus for $5,497. If you want to see exactly what's on the inside, please check out my Epic Funnels review. Okay, so I'm not going to be showing you exactly how it works. Again, I already showed you how OptimizePress works. Epic Funnels essentially, or any other funnel creator, work in the same exact way. And Epic Funnels goes live at 11 a.m. Eastern on September the 20th. Okay, so I have a review right here, so you can check it out. I have a demo, I have a VSL, which is a video sales letter, and I have all of these bonuses you will get from me for free if you will decide to pick it up through my link. Okay, so guys, the first link in the description will take you to my Epic Funnels review, so do check it out. But you can use any other funnel creator. Again, you can go to ClickFunnels, to OptimizePress. Maybe you'll find some other funnel builder that is you know, a great price as well. But again, going back to Fiverr, the most important thing is that you have to select a gig that is already successful, which means that they are selling hundreds, if not thousands of gigs. Mirror that gig, then get whatever funnel creator you want to use, and then start delivering. Because again, if you already have all the information from your clients, it is super easy to actually just copy and paste the information, send the pages to your clients, and you are done. You don't have to worry about anything. So guys, that's my video for today. I hope I opened your eyes to the possibilities of making money creating these small funnels. Again, 3 to 5 pages, you don't need much more. And obviously you can create these funnels for yourself. With Epic Funnels, you are getting actually templates in a number of different niches. So like for dentists, for pizzerias, for real estate, for, you know, a number of different niches. So you can target each and every single niche on Fiverr if you want to do that as well. So guys, do check out my review. Click the first link in the description. Also check out all the rest of the links in the description. I have some free case studies, free courses, all my social media, all the tools that I'm using to make money online. If you have any questions, as always, please leave me a comment. I will try to answer as many as I can. And please subscribe to this channel if you are interested in making money online, working from home, digital business, Fiverr, and much more. Okay, so guys, if you're already subscribed, click on the bell. It's really important because you will get a notification each time I go live on this channel. Check out all the rest of the videos on this channel. Again, I'm always recording videos on making money online and working from home. So guys, this is how you can make an easy $200 directly to your PayPal. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one. Ciao.